Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we will be determining if wet sandblasting is safe. We often get this question about the wet sandblasting or vapor honing units that we carry because this is such a big workplace concern. The answer to this question is yes, and here's why. As we all know, dry blasting can create a harmful dust called silica, which can in turn cause silicosis. When breathing in too much silica dust, you can not only scar and stiffen your lungs, you can also get lung cancer. And this goes for anyone around you while blasting as well. A way to prevent this is by wearing blasting gear, but that still doesn't help for the mess it creates around you and creates an uncomfortable blasting experience for the operator. Not even the best vacuum systems can prevent all dust from escaping either. Wet blasting can completely eliminate the safety hazard dry blasting poses because the water used in the cabinet will knock down any dust so it never has a chance to build and escape. You also eliminate the need for blasting gear, and you eliminate any harmful threats to your body such as scarring to your lungs, stiffening of your lungs, or even lung cancer. This also goes for everyone around you as well. For more information on if wet sandblasting is safe, please follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also give me a call at 828-202-5563, extension 102, and I will be more than happy to help.